Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to see how we can solve these questions using the principles or the laws of indices. If you're not familiar with the laws of indices, I've done a video where I explained in detail how the laws of indices are. So I will put a link in the description below so that you can go check that out. So without further ado, I would like us to see how we can apply the laws of indices to solve these questions. So let us go right in. Now, very first question is 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 6. Now, obviously, we can see that the bases are the same. And we know that there is a law in indices that says that when the bases are the same, we take 1. So what we do is that this is simply, since the bases are the same, we take one of the base and we add the powers, okay? So we now have 3 plus 6. So that will obviously give us 5 raised to power 9. So that is it. So the number 2, very quickly, is x raised to power 8 times x raised to power 7. Again, we can see that the bases are the same. Once the bases are the same, all we need to do is to take one of the base, which is in this case is x. We add the powers, that is 8 plus 7. So that will give us x raised to power 15. Okay, so that is the answer. So now number 3, very quickly, is y. Let me write this very well. Y raised to power 9 divided by y raised to power 2. Again, this very question can be re-expressed as y raised to power 9 divided by y raised to power 2. So now, again, the bases are the same. All you need to do is to take one of the base, which is y, and you add the powers. That is 9 plus 2. So that will give us y raised to power 9 plus 2 is obviously 11. So again, question number 4. Here, question number 4, we can see that this is x raised to power 5 times y raised to power 7. Again, you can see now that in this very particular case, x is not the same thing as y, and they are not of the same base, so we cannot apply the law of indices here. Okay, so we leave it as it is. Okay, we can't do more than this. Then the 5th question is, we can see this is, the 5th question is 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 5. Now, right here, what we are having in between, though the bases are the same, but we can see that the sign in between the bases is neither division nor multiplication. So we are going to do a little bit of mathematics. Now you will agree with me that we can re-express this one as, this is the same 3 raised to power 4 plus this 3 raised to power 5. We can re-express it as 3 raised to power 4 plus 1. Of course, 3 raised to power 4 plus 1 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 5. So what we are going to do here is, we will now re-express this using the law of indices. Of course, this is the same thing as, look at it, this is 3 raised to power 4 plus 1 plus 1 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 1. Of course, the bases are the same. If you take 1, that will be 3 raised to power 4 plus 1. So we are going to rewrite this again as, this is 3 raised to power, bring this down, 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 1. So what we do is that we factorize 3 raised to power 4 out of this expression. So what will that give us? If we take 3 raised to power 4 out of here, we have 3 raised to power 4 into, now 3 raised to power 4 divided by this 3 raised to power 4 will give us 1. Alright? So now 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 1 divided by this 3 raised to power 4 will be left with 3 raised to power 1. So that's 1 plus 3 raised to power 1. of course, this is 3 raised to power 4 into 1 plus 3 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 3. Okay, so and that is 3 raised to power 4 into 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so what we have here is 3 raised to power 4 times 4. So here we can leave it like this. Okay, so we leave it here. Okay, because this base, they are not the same. So we leave it as it is. Then the very last one there is this 3 raised to power x plus 1 divided by 3. Now we can re-express this as 3 raised to power x plus 1 divided by 3 raised to power 3, this divided by this 3. Now this 3 is in as 3 raised to power 1. Okay, so now in this case the bases are again the same. This is number 6. The bases again are the same, so we can take one of the bases, so that is 3 raised to power. We subtract the parts because there is a sign of what? Division in between the two bases. So what we do is to say x plus 1 minus this 1. Okay, so that will give us 3 raised to power this 3 raised to power x plus 1 minus 1. Now again, we have done this before in previous video. Now plus 1 minus 1 is 0 because you have 1 and you are only 1, and that cancels out. So what will be left here will now be 3 raised to power x. So that's pretty much it. So please, if you find value in this video, I would like you to simply like this video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to click on the notification bell below so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.